Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to create an easy but effective shockwave effect in After Effects. Let's get started. Just a quick reminder that you can grab the 16 film shakes. I made them specifically so you don't have to waste time keyframing the same movements over and over. AM film shakes are perfect for speed ramp edits, cinematic edits, and more. The link is in the description if you need them. First, create a new adjustment layer. Then drag it above the clip where you want to apply the shockwave effect. Move the playhead to the beginning of the adjustment layer and apply the CC ripple pulse effect. At the beginning of the layer, click the pulse level stopwatch to create a keyframe and set the value to 0. Now press U on your keyboard to reveal the created keyframe, then move 2 frames forward by pressing the page down key twice and set the pulse level to 100. If you preview the video, you'll see that the shockwave effect is already working, but it still needs a few adjustments. First, I'll make the shockwave circle thicker to make it more visible. I'll move the playhead forward to a point where the shockwave is clearly visible, then increase the amplitude to 200. Now that looks much better to me. Next, let's fix those black edges around the frame. Apply the motion tile effect to the layer. Under the effect, enable mirror edges and set both output height and output width to 200. Make sure to move the motion tile effect above the CC ripple pulse effect so it works correctly. Everything looks fine now, but the shockwave still feels a little too short. I want to make it last longer and feel stronger, so I'll add 2 more shockwaves. First, duplicate the layer and move it 2 frames forward by holding Alt and pressing the page down key twice. Then duplicate this layer again and move it 2 frames forward using the same method. Now the effect looks much better to me. Next, we can trim the end of the layers right where the shockwave finishes. In my case, it's right here. To make the effect feel complete, I'll add a shake effect from the AM Film Shakes pack. You can get the pack from the link in the description below, and you can also check out my shake tutorials on the channel. Let's quickly preview the final result, and we're done. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a like.